Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Again, I'm here with another interesting recipe, which is keema soup momo. This is awesome one-pot recipe and taste is so yummy. So let's get started with the ingredients. To prepare a keema soup momo, I have a cup of grounded chicken or keema, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and I have this wrapped momo. If you want the recipe for how to wrap momo, I have shared the recipe in a description box. And I have 1 medium-sized chopped tomato, onion, and some sliced of ginger and garlic. And for the masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per the taste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of momo masala, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of crushed Timur Sichuan pepper, 3 green chilies, and finely chopped spring onion, finely chopped cilantro. And I have 2 cups of water. In a pan, I'm gonna add oil, then add onion, ginger garlic sliced, saute them till it gets golden brown. So now I'm gonna add this keema, grounded chicken, now I'm gonna add turmeric powder and salt, mix it. I'm gonna cover this in a medium flame. I'll cook this for 2 minutes. Add the tomato, and I'm gonna add all this masala, garam masala, momo masala, chili powder, and ginger garlic paste. Mix them really well. Again, cover this and cook them for 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, so everything has cooked nicely. So now I'm gonna add this water and add Sichuan pepper, Timur, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this momo in the soup. I'm gonna cover this and in a medium flame I'm gonna boil this for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes it's fully cooked. So once the momos started floating, that's how you get to know the momos are fully cooked. It's nicely cooked. Now I'll add this green chili slice and coriander leaves and cilantro and green onions. So I'm gonna serve this. The soup is always good to serve when it's hot. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please give me a feedback and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.